is Tichelle, and welcome to my first vlog on my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be unboxing my first Gucci belt and Gucci purse. It's been my dream to have a Gucci belt and a Gucci purse. And finally, I have them both. Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Okay guys, let's start to showing you my Gucci belt. Okay, it comes with a Gucci paper bag, and then this Gucci box, and then it comes with a Gucci envelope with a Gucci receipt right there. Okay, it comes with the Gucci dust bag. Let's start to open it. I'm so excited. And this is kind of belt that I have right now. I really like this belt. Right there. I like the Gucci logo. Right there. And this is made in Italy. Okay, let's start to let me try it in. Okay guys, it's good guys, you like it? Because I really like it. And now let me show you my Gucci purse. There we go. Let me do unboxing. Alright, this is it. Okay, it comes with a Gucci envelope again, and this Gucci box. There we go. Alright, let's do this. I'm so excited guys. It comes with a Gucci dust bag. Excited much. Okay. Wow. OMG. See, first time I have this Gucci purse. How do you open it? OMG. Too much excited. Okay, I know now. There we go. Look at this guy. I really like this Gucci purse. You can do as a two-way. You can do it as a shoulder bag or crossbody bag. Look at the details guys. Look at that. So beautiful. That's the front. And this is the back. Let's take a look inside. There we go. It comes with the Gucci logo inside, and this is made in Italy. And there's and it comes with a serial number at the back of this Gucci logo with says made in Italy. And this is what is inside. It looks like what is inside right here. There's in this side there's a packet with a zipper, and there's another additional pockets right there. And this one, why I really like this purse, because you can do as a handbag or a sling bag. You can make it longer, the strap. Let's remove the packaging right here. This is so beautiful. I'm so excited. I'm gonna try it on so that you guys can see what it's look like. Oh my gosh, guys, help me. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. You can do like that. Or you can do as a crossbody bag. See? You can do as a crossbody bag. And it looks perfect. Or you can wear double strap, a shoulder bag right there. It's beautiful. Okay guys, see you on my next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the bell button below.